going to discuss about how to crop a particular face or an object in a video. So if you are looking for some video editor which can give you this opportunity, so yes, it exists and its name is Shortcut. So in this particular editor, that is Shortcut, we will be cropping or we will be blurring the face or a text. So in some situations, depending on your convenience, you need these type of things, and I will just show you how to do that one quickly. Alright, so just move, I will move on, and before that, please guys, if you are new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. With that said, let's go. Alright, so I will just open the shortcut here. So I have opened this shortcut and it is there. Alright, so I have just opened that one, and this is the video preview region where our video will be showing. So I have not selected any file, and I will just go to open file, and let me take this file. Okay, so shortcut name, it is a file which welcome is back to another video in how to make money shortcut video editor actually. So that one I have made previously. Alright, so in this one I just want to blur some things in this video. So how I can do that one? So the first step is to take this video to the timeline area. So just drag this video, left click and drag this one and put it here. Alright, so just leave the cursor there, then it will be coming on the timeline, right? So now my video is on my timeline, and now I will select the region where I want to blur. Okay, so I will just move the cursor here. So as you can see, let me just take it over there. Okay, yeah, this is perfect I think. And okay, alright, so this click to download this area I want to blur. So how I can do that one, we will see. So for just reference, we will take this one, click to download, we will be blurring. So before that, you have to split this video. So suppose click to download is starting from here and it is up to this segment, I'm assuming, and at that moment I just want to blur this region, that is this particular region for this time period. Okay, so to do that one, I will just split here. So that means the video will be splitted here. So as you can see, now this part is moving. Alright, so this is one part, right? So now I will move ahead and see up to what time this click to download here present, click to download is present on the screen. So as you can see, it is present here, but it is not present in this segment. So I will, okay, so up to this point I just want to crop this region. I don't want to show this click to download to the viewers. Okay, so to do that one, I will just again split this video here. Okay, now it has been splitted, and I will just show you. So as you can see, I have taken the middle portion out from the video, and as you can see here, so this is one part, second part, and this is the third part, and actually I want to blur this clip. Okay, so select that one. Okay, so once you select that one, you just have to click on this filters. So once you click on these filters, and you have to use totally 3 filters in order to blur that region. So the 3 filters are, the first one will be simple mask, and then box and mask apply. So first one will be a mask, that is a simple shape. So I will just search here mask. Okay, so mask, and here you can see simple shape. So I will just select this one, mask simple shape. Alright, so next the filter which I need is a blur box. So I will just again click on plus, and I will just search here blur. So now you can see the blur box will be showing. So as you can see, the first result is blur box, so I will select that one. Alright, so third filter which I need is mask apply. So I will just select here mask. Okay, I'm searching mask, and you can see the second option is mask apply. So select that one. So just click on that one. So now my filters are there in my video, So I will just use these things. So make sure that you are using in the same order, otherwise it will not give you the result. So first you should be putting mask, that is simple shape, then you have to put blur box, and then at the end you have to put the mask apply. And you will be just changing mask, that is simple shape and blur box. Don't do any changes in mask apply, leave as it is. So first I will select blur box here, and it will basically create the blur effect there. So you'll just increase the width here, and height as well. So if you can notice here, the blur box is created here, right? So I'll just increase some more. Alright, so now my blur box is created. I will go to the mask simple shape. Okay, this is the second step, and I will just increase the width of this one. So it is small from here to here, so I will just increase the width here. So if you can notice there, the width is increasing, and when you think that is sufficient to hide this click to download, you just leave. So I will just increase height as well. Alright, so now here is my mask. Okay, but as you can observe, it is below click to download, and I want to move it on the click to download. So what I can do, I will just change the vertical. So that is with the help of this vertical option, you can actually move the blur up or down. So I will just reduce this one. Okay, so as you can see, now it has been moved up. So I will just increase some more. Let me just wait for some time. Alright, so okay, now it is perfectly on the blur portion. So as you can see here, uh, okay. I will just little more. Alright guys, so now my portion has been blurred. So as you can see, I will just reduce this width, okay, and height as well. So now I will move this one. Okay, so once you adjust this one, something like this, so it will take some time, so that's why I'm not wasting time on this one. So as you can see, click to download has been hidden now. So I will just play this one, show you how it will be hidden. So now I'm playing my video, and you can see, though the all other videos or the all other content is changing one, it is just hovering there. So this blur effect is still on that only. This is so like this you can do. So basically by using these three simple steps. So I'll just pause this one, and if you want to export the video, then nothing, you just have to drag this to each other. So I will select this one and drag. Yeah, so done. Now I will be exporting the video where my blur will be visible. So these are the three simple steps, and I hope you found this video useful. Please guys, if you are new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, because I will be uploading these type of video editing tools and softwares and all other stuffs which is related to video editing on YouTube continuously. So thank you, thanks for visiting. See you in the next video.